Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad.
Finally, the rain has subsided. It's so clear and beautiful. My mom came to visit and she brought me homemade elderberry syrup from her friend who makes this. And it's so nice because I'm not feeling good and apparently this makes you feel better. Publishing yesterday's vlog. Yay. Good morning and welcome to Vlogmas Day 3. We're about to go on a little family outing. We're about to go to the top of Lookout Mountain and just enjoy the sunshine because it's a very beautiful day. And we're leaving the house now, so let's go. I love your glasses, Mom. Thank you. They look so cool. It's a super warm, beautiful day right now in Chattanooga. It's like 70 degrees. The sky is crystal clear. And yeah, like I said, we're heading out now to go up the mountain. This is the worst lighting I've ever seen in my life. Bear with me.
Come on, like the build and the drop. I mean, it's just so...
Trent's complaining about white people dancing music right now. But we've got the windows down.
It's like American.
It's very nice. My mom brought me a piece of avocado toast. So I'm eating that because I'm starving. It's actually 2 o'clock, honestly, and I am eating breakfast.
Coco's loving it.
Trent, you look so young. You look like you lost 10 years. Is he shaved?
What about me? Maybe I should shave.
Mom's always picking up foliage and twigs and things everywhere we go. And she makes art out of it. You gotta wrangle that thing.
I'm gonna make a wreath out of it.
Oh, you can make a wreath out of it. That'd be cool.
Okay,
Right here, right now? That's amazing. It actually is so cute. I would buy that from Target if they had it. I love it. Can I have it?
You can have it. Merry Christmas.
Wow, I'm so impressed. You just wrangle that thing into a wreath in 2 seconds flat.
Some people see a twig. I see art.
Yeah.
Alright, we're finding pieces of Christmassy looking things and stick it on there. Look at this. DIY nature walk art project.
Voila.
That's gonna be real cute. Alright, I've come back to this berry tree to get a twig off of it to add to the wreath. That's the cutest wreath I've ever seen.
Voila.
Oh my gosh. That's amazing. Maybe just trim around the edges a little bit when we get home.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Oh look, there's more.
Is this like dried hydrangeas?
Yeah.
Wow, dried hydrangeas. We found Christmas tree clippings. We found berries.
Beautiful.
That's a lot of dried hydrangea.
Might be a little much.
Maybe we can find something else.
I think I'll use this one. Take this one out.
It's getting better. Every 10 steps we take, we pick something up to add to it.
There we go.
Mom, you should literally host, okay, this is the best idea ever. You should host a wreath making class, but like a nature walk, DIY, whatever you find out in nature, wreath making. You think that would be possible?
Well, that's great, but
you can really charge people though. Because everything's off the ground. I think we would find everything to put in it. I just don't think we could find enough vines like that. She's stealing holly from across the fence and this is someone's house. Is that Santa? Oh my gosh, Santa! Babe! Got some Starbucks for Trent because he loves Starbucks. Me and Mom got the juniper latte, it's so good. We just finished eating pizza and I completely forgot to vlog it, so here's the disgusting aftermath.
Completely forgot.
Homemade sriracha.
Here's Mom and Trent and their scarves. Look at Trent's scarf. Isn't that special?
Look at that.
Very special. Hi, Joshua.
Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad.
I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. As long as you love me so.
Sounds the same. Holiday.
Josh is out there raking away, cleaning up the yard before we leave, putting it all in this big bin. And I am in here packing away, just getting started. It's a mess. Do you have a friend over? Who's that?
This is a bomb.
Where'd she go? Sabrina. Hallie, Belle, and Greg brought their kitten over, Sabrina, and Coco is obsessed with her. And Sabrina's not really having it. Coco, maybe just give it a rest for a minute, honey. Look at her with her little Christmas bow.
Sabby, don't be a bully.
Sabby, be sweet. Coco's nice. She just wants to play. Coco, be sweet. Oh my gosh. They're so cute.
A proud mother.
Packing for hours and organizing the house, getting ready to leave. And my mom came over and made us a little eggs Benedict. It's kind of like a different kind of eggs Benedict. Roasted potatoes and refried beans randomly on the side.
A San Francisco billionaire rides an elevator waiting to be elevator pitched by up and coming celebrity.
You record. Oh.
The recording started.
Hi, Sophie. It's me. I hope you become an athlete. Hallie, Belle, and Greg just left, and I'm getting ready for bed, and I thought I would show you my little nighttime skincare routine. So here it is. It's pretty simple, honestly, and straightforward. Let me go find my face wash. I've been using this Pacifica Seafoam Complete Face Wash for months now. I think this might be like my second or third bottle of it because I really love it. It really takes off all my makeup. It just like gets everything off in one go. I don't have to double cleanse or anything like that, which is really nice. So I really like this one. And I like to use like lukewarm to almost coldish water. Hot water makes me feel like I'm aging my skin, which is probably not true, but it makes me feel like it. Also, I always like to wash my hands before I wash my face to make sure my hands are clean. So I get my whole face really wet. I'm almost out of the stuff. I get like that much. I get it foamy. And then I just do lots of circles. And I'm going to spray it with this witch hazel. It's like a cucumber witch hazel by Thayer's. It's really good. And the last step is just moisturizing, and I've been using this First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream for a while now. I think this is probably my second bottle, and it's huge. It lasts forever because you only need a tiny bit. It's so moisturizing, and I feel like when you first start using it, it kind of makes your skin tingle a little bit, which I like because I feel like that means it's doing something. My skin has not been the greatest lately, and honestly I think it's just aftermath of like Thanksgiving and just like it being in the holiday mode and eating way too much of everything really, but mostly just too much processed food and dairy. Dairy is the culprit of all my problems in my life, but for some reason I can't give up pizza. And that is my nighttime skincare routine. Extremely simple, 3 steps, really quick, easy. If I had a serum, I would do it after I did the witch hazel, but I don't have one right now. I am just about to brush my teeth and then go to sleep, so I'm just gonna end the vlog here. I hope that you enjoyed today's Vlogmas. I feel like it was a little bit on the dull side because we didn't do a lot. We spent so many hours just like packing and cleaning and stuff. But yeah, I'm just gonna end the vlog here since I'm just going to bed after this. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today. I will see you tomorrow for another Vlogmas. It's so fun. I love doing Vlogmas. Okay, bye guys.